5 foods that spike blood sugar, and healthier alternatives you should try. Think your favorite foods are harmless to your blood sugar? Some of them could be causing big spikes without you even knowing. Are you unknowingly eating foods that harm your blood sugar levels? In this video, we'll reveal 5 foods that spike blood sugar and healthier alternatives that you can start enjoying today. Stay tuned as we uncover the hidden culprits in your diet and show you how simple swaps can help you stabilize your blood sugar. High blood sugar is a concern for many, especially those with diabetes, but making the right food choices can make a huge difference. Some foods, despite their popularity, can cause significant blood sugar spikes, leading to energy crashes and long-term health risks. Stick around as we dive into the 5 common foods that raise blood sugar and show you the healthy alternatives you can enjoy instead. Number 1. White bread. White bread is a staple in many diets, but it's a significant culprit when it comes to spiking blood sugar levels. Made from refined flour, it has a high glycemic index, meaning it digests quickly and turns into sugar in your bloodstream. This rapid rise in blood sugar can lead to energy crashes and increase the risk of insulin resistance over time. While white bread might be convenient and delicious, it's not doing your blood sugar levels any favors. The problem with white bread lies in the refining process. When wheat is refined into white flour, the bran and germ are removed, leaving behind only the starchy endosperm. This process strips the bread of its fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which are crucial for slowing down digestion and keeping blood sugar levels stable. The result is a food that's almost pure carbohydrate with little nutritional benefit. When you eat white bread, your body absorbs the sugar quickly, leading to a spike in blood glucose, followed by a rapid drop. This constant up and down cycle can leave you feeling sluggish and craving more carbs, which only worsens the problem. So, what's the healthier alternative? Instead of white bread, opt for whole grain bread or sprouted grain bread. These options contain more fiber, which is essential for slowing digestion and regulating blood sugar. Fiber not only helps stabilize blood sugar levels by slowing the absorption of glucose, but also promotes feelings of fullness, which can help prevent overeating and unnecessary snacking. Whole grain bread is made from flour that retains the entire wheat kernel, meaning it includes the bran, germ, and endosperm. The bran is rich in fiber, which helps slow the breakdown of carbohydrates into sugar, leading to a more gradual and controlled rise in blood glucose. This fiber content also supports digestive health and helps prevent constipation. Sprouted grain bread takes it a step further by using grains that have begun to sprout, which can increase the nutrient content, making it even more beneficial for overall health. When choosing bread, it's important to read labels carefully. Look for bread that has at least 3 grams of fiber per slice. This ensures that you're getting enough fiber to help slow digestion and prevent blood sugar spikes. Additionally, choosing bread with fewer added sugars and minimal processing will provide a more natural source of energy, keeping you feeling satisfied longer without the blood sugar roller coaster. In summary, while white bread might be a quick and easy option, it's not the best choice for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. By switching to whole grain or sprouted grain bread, you can enjoy a healthier alternative that provides fiber, nutrients, and a more gradual impact on your blood sugar levels. Make the switch today and feel the difference in your energy and overall health. Number 2. Sugary drinks. Sugary drinks are one of the biggest offenders when it comes to raising blood sugar. Sodas, sweetened teas, and fruit juices are packed with added sugars that quickly flood your bloodstream, leading to sharp blood sugar spikes. These drinks may seem refreshing, but they are essentially liquid sugar, offering little to no nutritional value and a lot of empty calories. When you consume sugary drinks, the body doesn't need to break down food as it would with solid foods. Instead, the sugar in these beverages is absorbed rapidly into the bloodstream, causing an immediate surge in blood glucose levels. This spike is often followed by a sudden drop in energy, which can leave you feeling tired, irritable, and craving more sugar. For people with diabetes, these sharp fluctuations in blood sugar can be particularly problematic, as they can lead to long-term health issues like insulin resistance. Sugary sodas are the most obvious culprit, but fruit juices and sweetened teas can be just as harmful. Even though fruit juices may appear to be a healthier option, they lack the fiber that whole fruits provide, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar. This means that fruit juices can cause blood sugar spikes just like sodas. The same goes for sweetened teas, which often contain high amounts of added sugars that lead to the same rapid sugar absorption. So, what's the healthier alternative? Instead of sugary drinks, Switch to sparkling water with a splash of lemon or unsweetened iced tea. These beverages are hydrating without the added sugar, and the flavors from the lemon or herbs can add a refreshing twist without spiking your blood sugar. Sparkling water is particularly great because it provides the fizzy sensation of soda but without the sugar and calories. You can also infuse water with natural flavors like cucumber, mint, or berries for a more refreshing, sugar-free drink. If you're craving a little sweetness, try adding a few drops of stevia or monk fruit extract. Both of these natural, zero-calorie sweeteners won't raise your blood sugar levels. They're a great way to satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. Stevia and monk fruit are plant-based sweeteners that are much sweeter than sugar, so a little goes a long way. Just a few drops can transform your beverage into a naturally sweet treat without the harmful effects of added sugars. In summary, sugary drinks, whether they're sodas, fruit juices, or sweetened teas, are a major contributor to blood sugar spikes. By swapping them for sparkling water, unsweetened iced tea, or naturally flavored water, you can hydrate without adding sugar to your diet. And if you need a touch of sweetness, opt for stevia or monk fruit extract as a healthier alternative. Your body and your blood sugar will thank you. Number 3. Potato chips. Potato chips are a popular snack, but unfortunately, they're not the best choice for keeping your blood sugar stable. Potato chips are made from high glycemic potatoes, which are quickly digested and absorbed into the bloodstream as sugar. To make matters worse, these chips are often deep fried, which can cause even faster digestion and a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. The combination of refined carbohydrates and unhealthy fats in fried potato chips is a recipe for blood sugar chaos. When you eat potato chips, your body breaks down the simple carbs in the potatoes quickly, leading to a sharp rise in blood glucose. This spike is followed by a drop in blood sugar, which can leave you feeling sluggish, hungry, and craving more carbs or sugar. For individuals with diabetes or those trying to manage their blood sugar levels, these fluctuations are best avoided, as they can lead to long-term health complications like insulin resistance and increased risk for cardiovascular disease. So, what's the healthier alternative to this crunchy snack? Try baked sweet potato chips or kale chips. Sweet potatoes have a lower glycemic index than regular white potatoes, meaning they won't cause as sharp a spike in blood sugar. Plus, they're loaded with fiber and nutrients like vitamins A and C, which are great for overall health. Kale chips, on the other hand, are a fantastic nutrient-packed snack that are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins K and C. Kale had a much lower glycemic impact, making it a great choice for stabilizing blood sugar while satisfying your craving for something crunchy. Bonus tip: you can easily make your own chips at home with minimal effort and no harmful additives. Simply slice sweet potatoes or kale, toss them in olive oil, sprinkle with your favorite spices like garlic, paprika, or rosemary, and bake them in the oven. Homemade chips are a much healthier option because you can control the ingredients, avoid unhealthy frying oils, and cut back on added salt. Plus, you can experiment with flavors to create your perfect snack. In summary, potato chips, with their high glycemic potatoes and deep frying process, cause rapid blood sugar spikes and provide little nutritional value. By choosing healthier alternatives like baked sweet potato chips or kale chips, you can enjoy a satisfying snack that's lower in glycemic impact and packed with nutrients. And making your own chips at home ensures you're getting a clean, healthier option without the harmful additives found in store-bought varieties. Number 4. Ice cream. Ice cream is a beloved treat, but if you're trying to manage your blood sugar, it can be a major problem. Traditional ice cream is loaded with sugar, fat, and refined carbohydrates, all of which contribute to a rapid increase in blood glucose levels. When you consume ice cream, the sugar enters your bloodstream quickly, causing a sharp spike in blood sugar that can lead to energy crashes, cravings, and long-term health issues if consumed too frequently. The high-fat content in many ice creams also adds to the issue, as it can delay digestion and create a prolonged blood sugar imbalance. For diabetics or anyone looking to maintain stable blood sugar levels, the combination of refined sugar and high-fat content in regular ice cream is a blood sugar nightmare. Not only does it elevate glucose levels rapidly, but it also provides little nutritional benefit. Plus, consuming ice cream regularly can contribute to weight gain, further complicating blood sugar control. So, what's a healthier alternative that still satisfies your ice cream cravings? Frozen yogurt is a much better option, as it typically contains less sugar and fat. You can also find low-fat or no-sugar-added versions, which can help reduce the impact on your blood sugar. If you're looking for something even more natural, try making your own ice cream at home using frozen fruit like bananas or berries. Blending frozen fruit creates a creamy, naturally sweet treat that's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, without the added sugars and fats found in traditional ice cream. Bonus tip: if you're craving ice cream but want to skip the sugar, look for no sugar added versions of your favorite frozen desserts. Many brands offer options made with sugar substitutes like stevia or monk fruit, which provides sweetness without spiking blood sugar. These options are often lower in calories as well, making them a better choice for managing blood sugar levels. In summary, while traditional ice cream can wreak havoc on blood sugar levels due to its high sugar and fat content, healthier alternatives like frozen yogurt or homemade frozen fruit ice cream are much better choices. These options allow you to indulge your sweet tooth while still maintaining blood sugar control. And by opting for no sugar-added frozen desserts, you can further minimize the impact on your glucose levels. Number 5. Breakfast cereal. Breakfast cereals are often marketed as a quick, easy, and nutritious option to start your day, but many popular brands are loaded with sugar and refined carbohydrates, making them a blood sugar nightmare. When you consume these cereals, your body breaks down the refined carbs quickly, causing a rapid spike in blood sugar. This not only leads to energy crashes but also leaves you feeling hungry sooner, making it harder to maintain steady blood sugar levels throughout the morning. The sugar content in many breakfast cereals is surprisingly high, even in cereals that are marketed as healthy or whole grain. The problem is that the refined carbs in these cereals, along with the added sugars, are digested quickly by your body. This means that your blood sugar levels will rise fast, and if you don't balance that out with fiber, protein, or healthy fats, it can lead to a crash later on. So, what's a healthier alternative? One of the best options is to switch to high-fiber breakfast, like oatmeal or chia pudding. Both of these options are lower in glycemic impact, meaning they don't cause a sharp spike in blood sugar. Oatmeal, especially when made with steel-cut or rolled oats, is rich in soluble fiber, which helps slow down digestion and the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. Chia pudding is another great option as it's made from chia seeds, which are packed with fiber, protein, and healthy fats, helping to keep blood sugar levels steady and promote satiety. If you still love your cereal but want to make a healthier choice, look for cereals with less than 5 grams of sugar per serving. Many brands now offer options made with whole grains and minimal added sugar. These cereals can provide a more balanced blood sugar response and are a good alternative if you're craving something crunchy in the morning. Bonus tip: top your cereal or oatmeal with a handful of nuts or seeds to add healthy fats and protein. Nuts like almonds, walnuts, or seeds like chia or flax provide a satisfying crunch while also helping to slow the absorption of sugar and stabilize your blood sugar throughout the day. Adding a little protein and healthy fat to your breakfast can also help curb hunger and keep you feeling full longer, reducing the chances of overeating later. In summary, many breakfast cereals are packed with sugar and refined carbs that spike blood sugar levels. But with a few simple swaps, you can enjoy a more balanced, blood sugar-friendly breakfast. Opting for high-fiber options like oatmeal or chia pudding, choosing cereals with minimal sugar, and adding healthy fats and protein will keep your blood sugar stable and help you start the day off right. Key takeaways. Let's quickly recap the foods we discussed and their healthier alternatives. White bread can spike your blood sugar, but swapping it for whole grain or sprouted grain bread will slow digestion and stabilize your levels. Sugary drinks, like sodas and juices, flood your bloodstream with sugar. Try switching to sparkling water, unsweetened iced tea, or flavored water instead. Potato chips raise blood sugar fast due to their high glycemic index. Opt for baked sweet potato chips or kale chips for a healthier, nutrient-packed snack. Ice cream is loaded with sugar and fat, causing major blood sugar spikes. Try frozen yogurt or homemade frozen fruit desserts for a naturally sweet alternative. Breakfast cereals often contain hidden sugars. Choose high-fiber options like oatmeal or chia pudding for a blood sugar-friendly start to your day. Why does this matter? By choosing these healthier alternatives, you're not only helping to stabilize your blood sugar, but you're also supporting your overall health. Consistent blood sugar control helps prevent energy crashes, improves your mood, and lowers your risk of long-term complications. These small swaps may seem simple, but they can make a big difference in how your body reacts to food. Now, I encourage you to start making these changes. Swap out just one of these foods this week and see how your blood sugar responds. You'll likely notice a difference in your energy levels, cravings, and overall well-being. Give it a try and let us know how it goes. Start taking control of your blood sugar, one healthy swap at a time. Making simple swaps in your diet can make a big difference in how you feel and how your blood sugar behaves. It's all about making those small, mindful changes that add up over time to support your health. Which of these foods will you swap out first? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what changes you're making. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more blood sugar tips and healthy swaps. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, balanced lifestyle.